The spark plug is considered one of the most important parts of the gasoline engine. The main function of the spark plug is to ignite the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber of an internal combustion engine. The spark plugs are typically located at the top of the cylinder head. Symptoms of bad spark plug. 1. Misfiring. One of the most noticeable signs of a bad spark plug is engine misfiring. Misfires occur when the spark plug fails to ignite the air-fuel mixture in a cylinder. This can result in a noticeable jolting or hesitation during acceleration. 2. Check engine light. A bad spark plug may trigger the check engine light. When a spark plug becomes faulty, it can lead to issues with combustion in the engine. When the powertrain control module of the vehicle detects uneven combustion or other problems related to the spark plugs, it may trigger the check engine light to alert the driver. 3. Poor acceleration. When spark plugs are not functioning correctly, the engine may struggle during acceleration. You may experience a lack of power or a sluggish response while pressing the gas pedal. 4. Reduced fuel efficiency. Faulty spark plugs can lead to incomplete combustion and poor fuel efficiency. If you notice a sudden drop in gas mileage, it could be a sign that the spark plugs are not igniting the fuel-air mixture efficiently. 5. Engine surging. Surging or fluctuating engine speed when driving at a constant speed can be a symptom of a spark plug problem. Inconsistent combustion in the cylinders can cause variations in engine power. 6. Hard starting. If a spark plug is not generating a strong spark, especially during cold starts, it can make the engine more difficult to start. Cold temperatures can worsen the issue, as the fuel-air mixture may be harder to ignite without a properly functioning spark plug. 7. Engine knocking or pinging. Abnormal combustion, such as pre-ignition or detonation, can occur when the spark plug is not firing correctly. This can result in knocking or pinging sound, which indicates that the combustion process is not happening as it should. 8. Excessive exhaust emissions. A malfunctioning spark plug can result in increased emissions of unburned fuel. This can result in higher levels of pollutants in the exhaust, contributing to increased emissions. 9. Rough idling. If your engine idles unevenly or feels rough when the vehicle is stationary, it could be a sign of a bad spark plug. A bad spark plug may cause uneven combustion in the cylinders, which affects the smoothness of engine idling.